Construction is more than building. It's about creating opportunities for you and your community. Here in San Diego County, the demand for skilled construction workers is booming. From major downtown projects to neighborhood infrastructure improvements, job opportunities are growing every day. Construction pre-apprenticeships, like the San Diego Workforce Partnership's Apprenticeship Readiness Program, or ARP, prepare people with foundational, career-relevant skills before entering registered apprenticeship programs.
The program is designed to introduce students to all of the career opportunities within the construction industry and hopefully get them into a union apprenticeship with one of the 22 different union construction crafts.
6 months ago, I was lost and wasn't sure what to do with myself. And after completing the cohort, I was able to get into a job that I'm earning a fair wage at, and this program has changed my life.
I've seen it change hundreds of lives, literally. It's really incredible. I've seen students go from homeless to buying a house in 5 years.
One day you're gonna walk into a building and I'm gonna tell you, you're breathing air because of me.
Pre-apprenticeship programs like ARP help set you up for a job that enables you to provide for your family and your community. A career in construction, it's about building a better life.